Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to delete your Ludo King account. To delete your Ludo King account, first of all, launch open the Ludo King application on your mobile device and log in. Once you're in the home page of Ludo King, tap on the gear button at the top left corner. This will open up the settings menu where you'll need to scroll down and look for the Request Account Deletion option and tap on Delete Account. To confirm your account closure, tap on Delete Account once again, and after you proceed with deleting your account, if you ever want to cancel your deletion, you can do it within the 30 days period after you've initiated the deletion. After 30 days, your account and all of your information will be permanently deleted and you won't be able to retrieve your information. Follow through the instruction after you tap on delete account, and that's how you easily delete your Ludo King account in just a couple of steps. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more tutorials like this. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.